Hi guys, this is Journeys Grade 2, Lesson 23. Our title is The Goat in the Rug by Geraldine, as told to Charles L. Blood and Martin Link, illustrated by Nancy Winslow Parker. And today we're going to be looking at part 2 of our story. In part 1 of our story, we met Geraldine. Geraldine is a goat. Geraldine is telling this story as she watches her friend Glen May weave a rug. Make sure to have your Journeys hardcover textbook ready. Follow along on page 289. When you're finished reading, be ready to take the part 2 quiz. I was really worried that she would still be angry with me when she got back. She wasn't though, and pretty soon she had 3 big potfuls of dye boiling over a fire. Then I saw what Glen May had meant by dyeing. She dipped my white wool into one pot, and it turned pink. She dipped it in again. It turned a darker pink. By the time she finished dipping in and out and hung it up to dry, it was a beautiful deep red. After that, she dyed some of my wool brown and some of it black. I couldn't help wondering if these plants I'd eaten would turn all of me the same colors. While I was worrying about that, Glen May started to make our rug. She took a ball of yarn and wrapped it around and around 2 poles. I lost count when she'd reached 300 wraps. I guess I was too busy thinking about what it would be like to be the only red, white, black, and brown goat at Window Rock. It wasn't long before Glen May had finished wrapping. Then she hung the poles with the yarn on a big wooden frame. It looked like a picture frame made of logs. She called it a loom. After a whole week of getting ready to weave, Glen May started. She began weaving at the bottom of the loom. Then one strand of yarn at a time, our rug started growing toward the top. A few strands of black, a few of brown, a few of red, in and out, back and forth, until in a few days the pattern of our rug was clear to see. Our rug grew very slowly, just as every Navajo weaver before her had done for hundreds and hundreds of years. Glen May formed a design that would never be duplicated. Then at last the weaving was finished. But not until I checked it quite thoroughly in front and in back did I let Glen May take our rug off the loom. There was a lot of me in that rug. I wanted it to be perfect. And it was. Since then, my wool has grown almost long enough for Glen May and me to make another rug. I hope we do very soon, because you see, there aren't too many weavers like Glen May left among the Navajos. And there's only one goat like me, Geraldine. This is a true story of a weaver and her goat who lived in the Navajo Nation in Window Rock, Arizona. Get ready! Now it's time to take the part 2 quiz. Look back at your text or rewatch the video if you are unsure of an answer.